Your efforts are not only for yourself, but also to fulfill your parents' dreams. Keep trying, stay hopeful, and move forward because one day your heart